Alright, so never done a bike check, so here it is. First off, we got some Odyssey R25 forks. Love them. Basically brand new, I want to say, since February. They've been doing me great. Just got this about a month or so ago. Odyssey has a light wheel laced to a Madura V2 on a Odyssey tire. Fit bike. Fit Brian Foster frame. Brian Foster 3. Stock bars. Stock stem. ODI long necks. Got some par ends coming. I just ordered them today. Got some Odyssey twisted PCs, stock cranks. Gonna get some profile cranks soon. We the People sprocket, 28 tooth. Odyssey Bluebird chain. That's connected to a Madura V2 hub laced to a Sun rim. Seat is a stock seat. Got a hole in it because someone tricked me. I guess I was just pretty stupid. That's about it. Hope to get some new parts soon. Oh, E-clat, headset, stock bottom bracket. But yeah, that's about it. Oh, also I got some Animal Butcher pegs coming, along with some par ends, and getting new pedals also. But that's it. Like, comment, subscribe.